Okay, this is your T&G, which is tongue and groove. It's cedar. They have mahogany, they have driftwood, which is a gray. The tongue and groove fits together like this. And they have special trim head screws that are very small, which just go right in the front of the tug that go down into your joist. And it's a T10, like a star or Torx bit that goes in there. This will go across 24-inch centers also. This is called a traditional board. It doesn't have the tongue and groove. It's rounded on the ends. It can be used for stairs and different things. With these small trim head screws that they recommend, you can just pop them through the top, and you don't see the heads like the big deck screws that they have. Also, you can go to www.geodeck.com, I believe, and you'll have a lot of information on like commercial grades of this they have. It'll show the colors and give you a lot more information on all this for the www.geodeck. I like it because it's hollow on the inside. It weighs half as much as your solid composites. The screws go in the tongue, so you're not having the screws up through your decking. These are the balusters. Again, they're hollow. They don't weigh as much. They're very sturdy. A post sleeve goes over your 4x4 uprights. And then to finish it, you have a base ring that goes right on top of your deck to cover up where you cut around it. And a post cap that goes on. And it's all geo. Oh, yeah. And then under here, we have the fascia board, which comes half-inch thick, 12 inches wide, and 12 feet long. And it will go up over the fascia to finish up this area right there to cover up your fascia board. Or you can use this in a lot of other places also. You can just cut it up, dimension it, use your trim head screws.